Ooh, there we go. Look at that. I'm slimed. Welcome to Fun with the Paynes. Hi everyone, today we're making pink slime. This time we're using this pink glitter and that pink glitter.
It's purple.
Kind of a purple pink. Alright, well let's get started. Alright, so we're going to mix everything in this container right here. So I'm going to move these out of the way. First we're going to start with glue. This is just glue and water.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Ready? Next we're doing, this is saline solution. This is contact lens solution. Ready? Mix that one in. Mix it up, mix it up.
It's gonna get stronger.
Mix, mix, mix. Ew, it's starting to look like snot. Alright, the last ingredient. Do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
This is water and baking soda.
Well, it's pretty warm.
Yeah, it warmed it up. Ready for the glitter? Turn it this way. Alright, you pour that in on all this.
Whoa!
Keep going. Do a bunch. Alright, that's good for now. Let's get that one mixed in. Whoa, look how pretty that is.
Whoa!
Tell me.
Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Whoa!
Ugh. It's not really slimy enough.
Oh my goodness!
It's running out so fast.
Oh my gosh!
Buh.
What's this, kids? Ew.
It's getting stickier. The more you play with it, the stickier it gets. It's turning.
Oh my god!
Captain, help me! I'm stuck in the slime.
Again?
I need your help. Here, let's go up the ladder.
Wait, Kwazii!
What?
You forgot to save the baby orca.
Oh, let's go. All right, let's put him on.
Wait, get all the slime off. It was so slippery. Ugh. Ew. Ew. Put him on here. Hello, baby orca. You stay right there.
He's safe.
Stay right there.
Oh, Peso's getting slimed.
I just want to stay in here. Oh, silly. You're so silly, Peso. You can't just stay in there. You're gonna get all warm. Oh, Peso, I have a great idea. What? We can make a slime bed for you. That's a great idea.
How do you make a slime bed?
I'll show you, Kwazii. First, you have to make like a little slime pillow.
We're gonna make a slime bed for Peso?
Yeah,
Okay, so there's the slime pillow. And now what?
the blanket.
Little slime blanket. That looks comfortable.
A little bit more.
Captain Barnacles, you're sliming Kwazii.
He likes it.
Ah! I'm slimed.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you want more making slime videos, and if you want more Octonaut slime videos, just click that button right there and leave the comment below if you want us to make more Octonaut slime videos. Bye!